Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we're going to show you our new home in Philippines. So I'm going to show you a quick tour with my two niece. So they're just so enjoying to see the new home that we gonna buy in the future. So this is what the sample that they show us. So guys, ito na nga sa tagal-tagal ko nang hinintay ng aking pangarap ay natupad din. Kaya abangan na ang aking pasabog. Dahil dito ay magkakaroon na tayo ng 2-story house and lots ating in the future. So ito yung project natin sa darating na 2026. So, pinakita sa akin kung ano yung show niya. Oh, muntikan pa naman. My God, so excited. So, tatlong bedroom siya. Ito master room. Ito siya is for kids room. Dalawang 2 kids room. Yan siya. Yung isa is master room. So, ang ganda ng concept sa loob. So, pwede ka maglagay ng table at the side, single bed, at saka may cabinet sa gilid. At ito yung master bedroom, which is, in example na ito, pwede siyang lagyan ng cabinet ng ganyang ka-size. At saka dito sa may isang kwarto din, na single bed. At mayroon kang table for laptop or any that you need to put, at pwede mo nang lagyan ng anik-anik dyan. At itong yung ating hagdanan is napakaganda. At saka ayan ang kulit ng dalawa na to, talagang enjoy sila mag kaya let's go guys.